Incorporating metabolism-boosting foods into your diet can support overall health and assist with weight management. These foods, particularly those high in protein, have been shown to slightly increase your metabolic rate or the number of calories your body burns at rest. While adding these foods to your routine can help make weight loss a little bit easier and aid in preventing excess weight gain, they are not a standalone solution. For optimal results, these foods should be a part of a balanced, moderately calorie-restricted diet and complemented by regular physical activity. And here are 8 foods that can help give your metabolism a boost. Protein-rich foods. Protein-rich foods can significantly boost your metabolism, primarily due to the increased energy required for their digestion. This effect, known as the thermic effect of food or TEF, or diet-induced thermogenesis, means your body burns more calories processing protein compared to carbohydrates or fats. Research indicates that protein increases TEF by 15 to 30%, while carbs boost it by 5 to 10%, and fats by just 0 to 3%. This heightened metabolic rate from protein can contribute to a more efficient calorie burning. Including protein-rich foods such as lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, beans, legumes, nuts, and seeds into your diet not only helps enhance metabolism but also supports muscle maintenance during weight loss, reducing the typical decline in metabolic rate. Additionally, protein helps keep you full longer, which can prevent overeating and further aid in weight management. Foods high in minerals. Iron and selenium are essential minerals that each support distinct but crucial functions within your body. Both play an important role in maintaining optimal thyroid function, which in turn regulates your metabolism. Studies have shown that insufficient levels of iron or selenium can impair your thyroid gland's ability to produce necessary hormones, potentially leading to a slower metabolism. To ensure your thyroid operates efficiently, incorporate iron-rich foods such as meat and legumes, and selenium-rich options like seafood, nuts, and seeds into your daily diet. These nutrients are key to supporting your metabolism and overall health. Coffee. Caffeine, a key component in coffee, can enhance your metabolic rate and support fat metabolism. Studies indicate that certain compounds in coffee aid in regulating how your body processes fats, and caffeine itself may boost fat oxidation, making it a useful aid for energy expenditure. Additionally, caffeine has been shown to improve workout performance, helping you burn more fat during exercise. However, the impact of caffeine can vary based on individual factors such as body weight and age. Chili peppers. Capsaicin, the compound responsible for the heat in chili peppers, has been linked to a mild increase in metabolic rate. Research suggests that capsaicin can enhance calorie burning and support weight management, while some studies indicating benefits from as little as 6 to 10 milligrams per day, equivalent to 1 jalapeno pepper. Capsaicin may also help control appetite. A 2014 review found that consuming at least 2 milligrams of capsaicin before meals can reduce calorie intake, particularly from carbohydrates. Additionally, adding cayenne pepper to your meals may boost fat oxidation, especially after consuming high-fat foods, although this effect seems more pronounced in those not accustomed to spicy foods. However, research on capsaicin's effectiveness in boosting metabolism is still mixed, and individual responses can vary. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Now, let's get back to the video. Ginger. Ginger and related spices are believed to offer notable benefits for metabolism and weight management. Research suggests that ginger can support energy metabolism and may assist in preventing obesity. For example, studies have shown that consuming 2 grams of ginger powder dissolved in hot water with a meal can increase calorie burn by up to 43 calories compared to drinking hot water alone. This ginger infusion may also reduce hunger and enhance feelings of fullness. Grains of paradise, a spice related to ginger, may also boost metabolism by increasing resting energy expenditure. However, individual responses can vary, and further research is needed to fully understand these effects. Cocoa. Cocoa and its byproducts offer more than just a delicious taste. They may also support metabolic health. Flavonoids found in cocoa are believed to enhance metabolic functions and potentially help manage elevated triglyceride levels. Further research indicates that cocoa and dark chocolate might contribute to weight reduction, which could lower the risk of metabolic and cardiovascular issues. However, conclusive evidence from human studies is still lacking. For the most health benefits, choose raw cocoa products, as processing can diminish their beneficial compounds and increase added sugars and calories. Beans and legumes. Legumes and beans stand out for their high protein content compared to other plant foods. Examples include lentils, peas, chickpeas, black beans, and peanuts. Their elevated protein levels increase the number of calories your body expends during digestion, a phenomenon known as the thermic effect of food or TEF. Additionally, legumes are rich in dietary fiber such as resistant starch and soluble fiber. These fibers act as prebiotics, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria in the large intestine. These bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids, which can enhance your body's ability to use stored fat for energy and help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Tea. Tea, especially oolong and matcha green tea, contains catechins, which are powerful compounds that can work synergistically with caffeine to enhance your metabolism. These teas may boost fat oxidation and help burn additional calories when incorporated into an exercise routine. Both oolong and green teas may also improve your body's ability to utilize stored fat for energy, further enhancing fat-burning capabilities. However, it's important to note that individual responses to these effects can vary. Incorporating metabolism-boosting foods into your diet can provide valuable support for overall health and weight management. While these foods such as protein-rich options, mineral sources, and specific beverages like coffee and tea can slightly elevate your metabolic rate, they work best as a part of a comprehensive approach. A balanced, calorie-conscious diet combined with regular physical activity remains the cornerstone of effective weight management and metabolic health. By including these metabolism-enhancing foods into your routine, you can give your body a subtle beneficial boost. However, relying solely on these foods without considering other aspects of a healthy lifestyle may not yield significant results. Ultimately, the key to achieving and maintaining a healthy weight lies in integrating these foods with a well-rounded diet and exercise regimen. By doing so, you can optimize your metabolism, improve energy levels, and support long-term wellness. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads.